Want to grant seamless access to your Tesla Model Y for another driver? This video guides you through adding a second phone key. As of December 2025, Tesla's system is streamlined, leveraging the Tesla app and your phone's NFC or Bluetooth to create a convenient digital key. We'll cover everything step by step. Before adding a second phone key, make sure your Model Y's software is updated to version 12.x or later. This ensures compatibility with the latest features. You'll need the Tesla app version 4.0 or higher installed on both your primary and second phones, whether iOS or Android. The second phone must be compatible, an iPhone 8 or later, or Android 9 or later. Make sure NFC or Bluetooth is enabled on the second phone for proper connection. Finally, have your Tesla account login credentials ready to authenticate both devices. Begin by preparing your primary phone that is already paired to your Tesla Model Y. On this phone, locate and open the Tesla app. Once the app is open, make sure you're logged in to your Tesla account. This is essential for managing vehicle access. In the Apps menu, navigate to the Keys or Vehicle Access section. This is where you'll initiate the process of adding your second phone key. Now that your primary phone and Tesla app are prepared, let's initiate the key addition process. Open the Tesla app on your primary phone and navigate to the Keys or Vehicle Access section. From there, select Add Key and then choose Phone Key to begin the setup for your second phone. The Tesla app will then prompt you to scan a QR code that appears on your vehicle's touchscreen. Depending on your Tesla software version, you might instead receive a manual code to enter directly into the app. Now, on the second phone, install the Tesla app and log in using the same Tesla account credentials as the primary phone. Select your Model Y within the app. The app will guide you through activating the phone key. First, download and install the Tesla app from your App Store on the second phone. Open the app and log in using the same Tesla account credentials you used on the primary phone. Once logged in, select your Model Y from the list of vehicles in the app. The app will then guide you through the process of activating the phone key for this device. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to complete the setup. To activate the phone key, follow the on-screen instructions in the Tesla app. This typically involves holding the second phone near the driver's side door handle to utilize NFC technology for proximity activation. Alternatively, you can confirm the connection via Bluetooth if NFC is not available. The Tesla app will guide you through this process. Once activated, the app will display a confirmation message indicating that the phone key has been successfully added and is ready to use. Now that you've activated the second phone key, it's time to test it to make sure everything is working correctly. Start by attempting to lock and unlock your Tesla Model Y. Hold the second phone near the driver's side door handle and try locking or unlocking the doors. Next, test the automatic unlocking feature. Walk away from the vehicle and then approach it while holding the phone. The doors should unlock automatically when you get close enough. If the phone key doesn't respond right away, give it a minute or two to sync fully. Tesla's system may need time to establish the connection between the phone and the vehicle. Finally, make sure the phone key works consistently. Test it multiple times and verify that both locking and unlocking functions operate smoothly. If you encounter any issues while adding a second phone key to your Tesla Model Y, start by checking that Bluetooth and NFC are enabled on both phones, and ensure the Tesla app has the necessary permissions for location and Bluetooth access. If problems persist after checking permissions, try resetting Bluetooth and NFC on both devices, or force close and reopen the Tesla app to refresh the connection. For ongoing issues, contact Tesla support directly through the app's help section, where you can describe the problem and receive guidance from support specialists. Remember that phone keys depend on your phone's battery life, so always keep your devices charged to avoid being locked out of your vehicle. Finally, be aware of security best practices. Regularly review who has access to your Tesla account, use strong passwords and two-factor authentication, and never share your phone key credentials with unauthorized users.